So after an intense working weekend and intense working like 24 hours a day while I was in Seattle, this is what I have scheduled for today. Puppy snuggles and reading and home coffee in my mug. So my tree is in bloom and it completely snowed, covered everything with snow. So today I'm doing an essential oil workshop at the Humble Peacock, which is this awesome new salon and spa in Morristown, Tennessee. Look at their excellent door. And our workshop is in the gorgeous sitting room of the spa. We're all set up here. Handouts for everybody, the oils we're going to talk about, books to flip through. So this week was a pretty chill one. I flew back from Seattle on Sunday, and then I had a workshop in Morristown on Thursday and Saturday, and I just rested a lot and I got caught up on a lot of things. I came up with a new podcast idea with Jolie, which you're going to see on my YouTube channel very soon, and it was a pretty chill week. The kind of lesson, the thing that popped up for me this week is, so the weekend before when I did workshops in Seattle, great turnout, and I enrolled, which means shared doTERRA with 8 people, and that was awesome. Like 8 people in 3 days is kind of killer. And this week I had 2 classes where no one showed up. They just canceled, they couldn't make it, whatever the reasons were. And so I wanted to share that with you because that's just part of the process. So when you see somebody who their business is growing and they've got lots of things scheduled and everything seems to be going right, especially if you are also building a doTERRA business and you're like, how is that person at gold or platinum or moving towards diamond? There are weekends of amazingness and then weekends of no one showing up. That's just part of the process. Part of it is I'm working with a new builder and we need to work more on inviting and reminding people. Part of it is it's just a totally different town than Seattle. Part of it is the builder's been doing it less long than the builder I worked with in Seattle. So it's just a whole combination of things, but there's no need to lose hope or think everything's going to fall apart. Which is, of course, where my mind goes right away. It's just all part of the process. So yeah, that was this week, and next week's gonna be awesome too.